In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn off Ray-Ban Meta Light. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, when you start recording with the Ray-Ban Meta, it will display a light, and this is to indicate that you are recording, of course. This is primarily for privacy concerns, so other people around you notice that you are wearing the glasses and actively recording them. Now, if you want to disable this, because of the reasons that I listed, they don't give users the option to simply go into software and change this option. So the only way in which you are able to control this light is by physically blocking it. Now, I cannot give you any specific ways to do this, so I just want to give you general ideas on what you can explore to get this light obstructed or turned off essentially in a way. One of the most popular methods is by using electrical tape. The electrical tape needs to be placed in such a way to where the light is covered, but you shouldn't cover the sensor. You will need to see which version of the Ray-Ban Metas you have, because depending on the model and the current version update that you have, they have improved and developed ways to block this workaround, so keep that in mind. Try placing the tape in different positions, different angles, try stacking it on top, and see if you are able to cut a circular cutout to cover only the light. If the sensor is intact and you are still able to record, then you will be good to go. Another popular method that people mention is by using black nail polish. So by painting it over the light, it is essentially going to still allow you to record as long as you don't block the sensor as well, and you are able to try. Like I said before, the capture LED is meant to always be turned on due to privacy concerns, and if you really want to do this, you will have to explore the options that you have for your particular model of Ray-Ban Metas. As I've said before, I recommend trying this out with electrical tape and black nail polish. There are other things that you can try to use, for example, some black putty over it in a very small layer, and if you have any other suggestions, be sure to leave it in the comments below. But as I've said before, you cannot do this simply with software. You need to physically cover the light. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn off Ray-Ban Meta Light. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.